In this video, I'll show you how to fix an expired Google Drive link and share the folder again, step by step. First, open Google Drive and log into your Google account. Find the folder you want to share again, right-click on the folder and select Share from the menu. Inside the sharing settings, look for the General Access section. Make sure the access option is set to anyone with the link if you want the link to work for others. If the link was restricted before, change the permission to viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on what you want to allow. After adjusting the permissions, click Copy Link to generate a new working link. Share the new link with the people who need access. If the link expired due to restricted access, updating the permissions will fix the issue. Always review the sharing settings to make sure the correct people can access the folder.